in this video, we're gonna find out if the ICT trading is actually legit. I don't know, just a small disclaimer, I'm not an ICT trader or something like that. I'm actually a break and retest strategy trader. I just saw some sort of imbalances and I'm like, let me try all this crap, you know, like all this ICT crap. And we will find out in this video if the ICT trade is actually legit or not. In the meantime, you can like this video, subscribe, and obviously you can comment down below if you do have any questions. So let's dive right into the video, guys. Cheers.
Today's video is gonna be a live trading video, guys. Let's just do a real quick analysis. Yeah, the price action basically moved to the downside, and now the price action made his move back up, which broke all these structures. Right now it came back right here into this imbalance, made a beautiful bounce. From here came literally to imbalance, and from here I take buys. Where it's gonna go to, I think the price action most likely is gonna go to this area. There is my profit, and here is my terminal. So we'll see how this trade we're gonna play it out. Just stay tuned. Yeah, the price action kind of pushed back down, took this low again and filled up all this imbalance, yeah, and touched one more time this price action. But we will see how it's gonna go from here. Maybe it's gonna push up, either it's gonna go down. So we got one or two things to happen. Either we're gonna hit our TP, either stop loss. So just if you want to see how this price action will gonna end up, make sure you're gonna stay to the end of this video and watch. Yeah, so we're back to break even, basically to the profit. So we will see how this price action will move forward. If the price action we're gonna break this high, we're gonna retest and move higher. So yeah, guys, how you can see, it was a profitable trade. Let's just make a quick recap. Yeah, the price action basically was making lower lows and higher lows, then it just literally took two highs. The way how you can see, they took this high, then very aggressively start pulling back. From here start making his move back up. Yeah, let's just see what do we see right here. Yeah, it was right here, it was basically an imbalance, how ICT people saying, yeah, and then when it start moving his back up, yeah, it was leaving this sort of imbalance. So from here it was my idea to start trying to do all this ICT thing. Yeah, I just took the price action right here and I put my stop loss below this low, and obviously I targeted this high. It was a very beautiful trade. The problem is I left it overnight and had some commissions, but at the end of the day it was a profitable trade. I'm not an ICT trader and I don't think I will be, but I can see right here we do have also the break and retest strategy. So you can call it however you want to call it, double, triple bottom, move back up. Then you can call ICT, you can call whatever you want. It's just a normal trade, guys. If you did like this video, guys, make sure you're gonna like it, subscribe, leave a comment if you do have any questions, and see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.